Have you ever felt trapped in a cycle of porn addiction? Do you feel like you can't control your urges, even though you know porn is harming you? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world struggle with porn addiction. It's a real problem, but it's also one that can be overcome. In today's video, I'm going to share a Zen master story about how to quit porn addiction permanently. This story shows that even the most difficult challenges can be overcome with the right mindset and approach. So if you're ready to break free from porn addiction, please watch this video until the end. Once upon a time, there was a young man who was struggling with porn addiction. He had tried to quit many times before, but he had always relapsed. One day, the young man decided to seek help from a Zen master. He went to the Zen master's temple and told him about his problem. The Zen master listened patiently to the young man's story. Then he said, "My son, porn addiction is like a poison that is slowly destroying your life. You must get rid of it if you want to be happy and fulfilled." The young man asked the Zen master how he could get rid of his porn addiction. The Zen master replied, "The first step is to understand the nature of porn addiction. Porn is not just about sex, it is also about escapism and avoidance. You use porn to escape from your problems and to avoid feeling uncomfortable emotions. Once you understand the nature of porn addiction, you can begin to develop strategies for overcoming it. One important strategy is to face your problems head-on. Don't try to avoid them or escape from them. Instead, confront them and deal with them in a healthy way. Another important strategy is to develop new coping mechanisms for dealing with uncomfortable emotions. Instead of using porn to numb your emotions, learn to accept them and work through them in a healthy way. Here are 4 practical examples of how to apply the Zen master's advice to quit porn addiction. Number 1. Face your problems head-on. If you are struggling with stress at work, talk to your boss or a colleague. If you are having relationship problems, talk to your partner or a therapist. Don't try to escape from your problems by using porn. Number 2. Develop new coping mechanisms for dealing with uncomfortable emotions. If you feel anxious or stressed, try relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. If you feel sad or angry, try journaling or talking to a friend. Don't use porn to numb your emotions. Number 3. Identify your triggers. What are the things that make you want to watch porn? Once you know your triggers, you can start to develop strategies for avoiding them. For example, if you are tempted to watch porn when you are bored, try to keep yourself busy with other activities. Number 4. Set realistic goals. Don't try to quit porn cold turkey. Set small goals for yourself, such as going 1 day without porn or going 1 week without porn. As you achieve your goals, you will build confidence and momentum. Moral of the story is, porn addiction is a real problem, but it is one that can be overcome. By understanding the nature of porn addiction and developing healthy coping mechanisms, you can break free from its cycle and live a happy and fulfilling life. If you are struggling with porn addiction, I encourage you to seek help. There are many resources available to help you overcome this challenge. You can find support groups, counseling, and other resources online and in your community. Remember, you are not alone. There are millions of people who have struggled with porn addiction and overcome it. With the right support and mindset, you can too. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel for more Zen wisdom stories and other inspiring content. And leave a comment below to let me know what you think of this video.